Welcome to the in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app, and here click to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, and here click OK, another time OK, and now just go back. Here tap to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And as you can see, that's finished. And right now we just will go, for example, here to type something in the search pool, and as can you see, our keyboard now is so close to the iPhone, to the iOS 1, and all the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.